Hello everybody, let's take a look at the 2021 Christmas lights. I'm going to show it first in the daytime and then I'll add a clip later on at the end of the video of what it looks like at night. Just want everybody to see what kind of detail it is in the daytime, how the light bulbs look, and the wires and all that good stuff. That's weird, all the color came off of that bulb. I've got these 3-watt GE LED bulbs in these porcelain sockets so it's not too bright. And here is the Novelty Star light set, animated, twinkling. I fixed those, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and they've been working fine ever since. Here's this set of 15 C7 GE glow brights. These are from the 80s. With the correct bulbs in them. And there's the C9s on the house. The red, orange, and white are Tru-Tone LED bulbs, C9s. Here is the Wreath from with the lights from the 1990, 91, somewhere in there. The icicle lights, new for 21. I have got a set of C7 Tru-Tone jewel tones, and they do look pretty nice. I'm going to do a review of those here one of these days. Here's the roof line with the C9s. There's the one of the big wreaths. And the sun's bleaching that out just a little bit, but you can make those out. Then of course here is the wreath with the lights from 1986. Then I have this other set of GE glow brights, a 15 light set with the correct bulbs in them once again. Here's one of the lighted spheres. This is the first one we had. It's probably from 2003, maybe 2004. Here are the early ceramic coated GEs and the interior coated ones sprinkled throughout. Most of them are the interior coated. That's a ceramic interior, and so on. These look absolutely fantastic at night. They don't look half bad in the daytime either. And I've got a little bit more white strand ordered for C7s. I'm going to add them up this side of the post too. I think that'll look good. Here's the second lighted sphere with the yellow bulbs. I believe this one to be older than 2003. Not sure, but I think it is. New for 21. I put this garland here, this lighted garland. And then I added a strand of D26 GE twinkle bulbs. There's a detail at that. There it is. Those are D26s for sure. Here's one set of the lighted bells, triple set. Also the lighted garland on this side with D26 and mini lights mixed together. Here's one of the stars, 32-inch stars, and the other lighted bell set. And then there are the Santa Claus novelty lights. I need to trim those zip ties. Forgot to do that. And here's an overall view. In the front window, I've got these window candeliers, 2 3-tiers and 1 8-tier. And then this lighted snowflake set of 4, which came in with some stuff I ordered. I didn't really need it, but I found a place to put it right here on the front porch, and it looks pretty nice. Here's the GE 25 watt vintage light bulb. There's the etch. It's a nice looking bulb. And here's the wreath on the front door. Nothing special, nothing fancy, but it was my grandmother's, so I continue to display it. Here's my Merry Christmas and Happy New Year lighted bell set. Need to trim that zip tie as well. In this window, I've got 2 3-tiered candeliers and some GE Stardust up top. And then around the inside of the porch area, I've got C9s there as well. Here's my shrub with the GE Random Sparkles and C7 Twinkles. Nice and thick, nice and bright, and awesome. New for 21 are these 2 wreaths I added on this side of the house to even everything out. Looks a lot nicer. Then of course up on the roof line are the C9s. And then again with the icicle and the C7 jewel tone lights from Tru-Tone. And there's a second wreath along with the lighted chili peppers and another 3 watt GE LED bulb. There's the second wreath, and then the C9s continue. In the front windows I have 5-tier window candeliers. We'll go look at the other window. And there's the other window with the 5-tier window candelier. Along the front flower bed, I have Tru-Tone C7 classic color bulbs. And I've already done the review on that. And they do look nice, and so far they're holding up well with no trouble. So I'll come back when it gets dark and we'll just do a quiet tour of the lights, since I've already explained it. There's those, they wrap around. Almost forgot to mention, the side windows have 3-tier window candeliers. And here's the ones that belong to my grandmother that I happened to acquire. So I was glad to get those. These are probably from the late 70s or early 80s. And they have the same kind of bulbs she used. She used some of these like this, that had that flat tip on them. And then these GE Glow Brights from Korea. I remember her using those. So they are just like she had them.